keep watching Crystal Beauty Show. It gives us all what we need as far as film and television is concerned.
You are welcome to the script workshop today.
Thank you very much.
Now, I want to ask you, as a strong actress in the Cameroon movie industry, what can you say about the young graduates who just graduated from the script workshop today?
First, I want to appreciate every participant. I want to congratulate their efforts because every good film begins from a good script. If you have a good script, you definitely have a good film. Kudos to the winners. Oh, the script pitch was marvelous. I enjoyed every bit of it. And to the organizer, Mr. Kanyankwai, you did well. I appreciate you.
Now, I want to ask you, as a strong actress, a many-time award winner in the Cameroon movie industry, what are your challenges you face and what do you recommend can better the future of Cameroon movie industry?
My number one challenge would be support. We lack support from the government. We lack support from our communities. Our movies are not being recognized, are not being appreciated. So I want to, because our very first market will begin from people from our communities, people who believe in us. If you believe in us, the world will definitely believe in us. So I want to encourage each and every one of you to believe in Cameroon film industry, to believe in your actors, and to give us the basic support we need to take the industry forward.
Welcome to the script workshop at Mountain Hotels.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we wish to know from every indication you are somebody around, you are somebody who brought this initiative. Can we know your name and your personality, please?
My name is Kanyankwai. I'm the founder of the Script Workshop.
Wow, we are blessed to have people like you in the Cameroon film industry. As a founder of the Script Workshop, sir, what can you say about your students for the past 3 days as per their performances?
As per their performances, I want to evaluate them at the time they started the course and what their output is at the time they're graduating. I would say it has been a remarkable improvement.
I wish to ask you, as per the following days that they have been going through training, do you think they have a future in the movie?
A future or not doesn't matter because I'm not the one who gives future to anyone who wants to become a writer or not. It depends solely on the individuals. I know one thing, what you focus on will grow eventually.
Okay, sir, as a movie actor in Cameroon, what are your challenges and what do you recommend that can be done to better the future of Cameroon film industry?
In the Cameroon film industry, we have a lot of we need exposure. We don't have media where our movies are being shown. But we also want to use this opportunity to appreciate my BT Media for the immense job they are doing in taking our craft, our movies to the screen, to TVs. Apart from BT Media, we have Yabadu. These are the two infrastructures that are doing a lot to promote, to expose our content. So we appreciate that, and we need more structures like that. We need them not just to come out and be those structures to show our movies. They should effectively go into the field, get movies and get them shown. Because when movies are shown, Cameroonians will begin to see their fellow Cameroonian actors see our movies, and it begins to create a value that is so much needed to bring a good market to us. So once we have that exposure, we'll have the market.
Culture. Madam, we wish to ask you, as a regional delegate of arts and culture, what do you think about Cameroon movie industry?
No, I think that those people are working a lot. We should really appreciate their efforts because, Cameroon is already, I can say, booming with film. They may not all of them be the best, but I think the people are really working hard.
Okay, wow, that's interesting, madam. With your long stay with the students of this script workshop organized by Kanyankwai, what can you say that the students can do as per their performance of today?
I think coming already to the workshop shows that they are interested. in the film sector. And script writing is one of the most difficult part of it because everything starts from the script. And from what we got in their pitch, we really see that they have stories to tell. So we just want to encourage them to be hardworking, to be, as we said, innovative, creative, and then there will be the next big names in Cameroon in the film sector.
Wow, Madam, we really thank God. But Madam, now, as a regional delegate for arts and culture, how do you think you can support the young students or support the Cameroon film industry in your own capacity?
I think in my own capacity I'm like the mediator between those who are working and the ministry. So every initiative that comes, what I can do at my own level, I will always do. It means being present, giving all the facilities that I can give at my level. I'll take, for instance, the venue. That was at my own capacity. Everything that is at my own capacity, I will give. Then for financial support that comes from the ministry, I will always do what I do. It means I will not allow our people who are working like Kanyan Kwany to just send their file to the ministry. I would always tell them to bring their file so that I send the file with recommendation. You know, in 1,000 files that go to the ministry for support, when they see a file with my recommendation, with all what I'll write in it gives weight and it gives priority to the file. So I would say I may not have the money, but through the pen and what I'll write, they may give support if the ministry has the support to give.
Wow, Madam, that is interesting. Last question, please, Madam, before you go. As a mediator, like you earlier said, what are the difficulties, the challenges that you usually face? Because from Beyond Reasonable Doubt, you have always been struggling. From all events that we have been covering, we have always been seeing you there. What are some of the challenges that you really see that is facing the industry or facing you at the level of the ministry?
I would say that my first challenge as a regional delegate, as a person who loves the film industry, because I know what even the film industry can do in Cameroon in terms of cultural presence. You know, other people dominate us with their films. If we all want to go to US today, it's because the Americans have dominated us with their films in terms of job opportunities. So I see all what the film industry can give to Cameroon, and I feel so bad when I cannot, at my own level, just give the millions that I see these people need. Because if I had these millions, I would have just, without even them writing a letter, I would have just given the millions. But because the millions are not at my level, I have to channel the letters to Yaoundé. So I feel bad because I'm there on the field, but I cannot give the money that they need. So that's why everything that I can give that is at my own level, I'll always do without begging, without asking people to beg or to fight to have it.
Wow, that's interesting, Madam. We want to thank you very much for always being there for us, and we pray that more grace to your elbow. God bless you. Thank you for staying with us today at Mountain Hotel for the script workshop. Thank you very much.
I'm thanking you too very much for all your support, because I always see you. You are always present too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I am Dr. Taku Victor Jong. I am a senior lecturer of drama and script writing at the University of Buea. Actually, I'm the head of the Performing and Visual Arts Department of the Faculty of Arts, the University of Buea.
Okay, sir. Wow, it was a pleasure hosting a personality like you from the University of Buea. Sir, as a senior lecturer, a doctor in this domain, how do you feel that the principles as a doctor were applied during the studies of these children for 3 days today?
I want to believe that those who took part in the training program did their best, because the pitching, the students were at least up to the task. At least they handled themes which are current, and the presentation is appreciable.
Wow, that is great. It was appreciable. Sir, from your experience of today's performance by the students who have been undergoing training for the past 3 days, what can you see holds for their future? Can they make it as per their performance today, or maybe they should go back again and rethink?
I want to believe that all the stories are great stories. What we look forward is seeing how we can help them, follow them up to see how they can produce the stories into great movies. I think no script is great until it is produced, because it's a whole team that works with them, and which will finally come to upgrading. I think the initial ideas are good. We just need to guide them. We need to refine, fine-tune, and refurbish the ideas, and we'll come up with some great stories for Africa.
Wow, that's interesting, sir. As the head of department for visual arts in the University of Buea, sir, with knowledge, we all know that some people, actors, actresses, some musicians, do follow their talents from the quarters. Do you encourage some of these talented young Cameroonians to come, first of all, for education and learn the principles before executing their talents, or do you think that raw talent in the quarter can make them who they think they can become?
Yeah, without publicity, or I'm not here to publicize, the University of Buea, the Faculty of Arts, runs two programs, a degree program in performing and visual arts, and a professional program in TV and movie documentary production. And in both programs, we do script writing as a course. I use this opportunity to encourage them to come and enroll, those of them who have the A-level, to come and enroll and study for these degree programs. Secondly, we are also running workshops, short courses, which will be good for those without A-levels, those who are already in the field, amateurs, those who are already trying their hands in production, in writing, in script writing, can also come and attend those workshops. So we hope in the days ahead to welcome those with the A-level. Even those without the A-level have a place, because, as I said, these workshops will be running maybe per semester or yearly.
Wow, sir. I want to thank you very much for having been there with us. I wish to ask you, in your own capacity as the head of Department for Visual Arts, University of Buea, how do you think you can support the young actors and actresses in the Cameroon movie in your own capacity?
What I'm doing now is supporting them. Because when I was called just 2 days ago to be a jury member in this competition, and I didn't hesitate. I think it's my pleasure to be here to guide these young writers, and wherever I'm called, I'll be there. I think we are open, the university is open. As a person, I am open to give them all my support, all the support they deserve.
Wow, sir, we want to thank you very much, and we hope that as you continue in your endeavor, may God give you more strength and more power so that you continue the good work you have been doing for the University of Buea and for the Cameroon movie industry as a whole. More grace to your able. We wish to see you always and always and always in workshops and conferences like this. Thank you very much for being there with us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, and I'll always be there. Promise.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Crystal Beauty Show, thank you for your support, and I want to ask everybody to keep on watching this Crystal Beauty Show.